What's up, everybody? If you're looking for a pretty neat way of identifying where your bathroom is for an Airbnb, or you just have toddlers, or you just don't know where it is, or you just want something really neat, then today's video may be something for you. I picked up these really cool, super inexpensive bathroom signs so people know where to go. Alright guys, so what do you do when you get lost in a house or you have guests that have never been at your house and you're looking for a bathroom? Or better yet, what if you're running an Airbnb and you have a mansion? Well, today I'm going to show you a very novel way of making sure that everybody knows where it is. So this is a door to our downstairs bathroom. I got these washroom adhesive little signs. And we're gonna stick these on here. Why did I do this? I just thought it would be cute and cool to have it. I don't know. I just thought that it is. So let's go and put this on. All this is it's the male, kind of like a cutout, and then we have a female, and then we got two heads. So we're gonna put these side by side right over here. So this is basically the before, and then we're gonna stick these side by side basically here. And this is what it looks like. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to mark off where you're gonna be. So we're using tape. The way we're gonna do it is we mark off the width of the door, subtract 5 inches because it's 5 inches from one edge to the other between both of these cutouts, and then that gives us 9 inches. So from here to here, 9 inches, from there to here, 9 inches, and then we place this one here. We already placed the head. You can figure out how close or low you want to go. We're gonna basically do like this. And now we just let it go. Now, I'm not gonna press it super tight for now because I want us to have the option of removing it. But look how cool that looks. All right, let's go and put the female on. Now we're placing the female. You wanna make sure that everything is nice and leveled. So we got this little level, and we're just gonna make sure that this is plump before we press it in. And there we go. And then the final step is just peeling off the excess plastic to reveal the nice and glossy finish. So what does it look like? I think it looks pretty cool.